Stop typing dates one by one. In this video, I'll show you how to autofill days, weekdays, months, years, and even custom step values in Excel. You'll never type dates manually again. Okay, let's dive in. Let's start with basic. In cell E2, type January 1st, 2025. Press enter. Now let's fill out the rest of January automatically. Click on A2. Move your mouse to the tiny square in the bottom right corner of the cell. That's called the fill handle. When your cursor turns into a black plus sign, click and drag down to cell A32. Release, and Excel instantly fills every day in January. After dragging, you'll see a small icon appear. That's the autofill options button. Click it, and you'll find different ways to fill your dates. Choose fill days for every single day. Choose fill weekdays to skip Saturdays and Sundays. Choose fill months to get the first of each month. Choose fill years for the same day each year. This menu is perfect when you want quick changes without redoing your work. Here's a time saver. If you already have other data in the next column, just double-click the fill handle. Excel fills dates down to match the length of that column automatically. For even more control, let's use the series dialog box. Click on your starting date in A2. Go to the Home tab. Then in the Editing group, click Fill. And choose Series. If you love keyboard shortcuts, just press Alt plus HFIS from your keyboard to open Series dialog box. Here's what each option means. First option, series in, choose rows if you want to fill across. Or, choose columns if you want to fill downward. Next option type, pick dates so Excel knows we're working with calendar dates. Date unit. Choose day, weekday, month, or year. Step value. This tells Excel how much to jump each time. 1 for every day, 2 for every other day, 3 for every third day, and so on. Stop value. This is the finish line, the date where Excel should stop filling. Let's say, in the series dialog, we choose columns, date, day. Step value 2. And stop value January 31st, 2025. Click OK or hit enter. Now we get January 1st, 3rd, 5th, and so on. If you choose weekday instead of day, Excel skips weekends automatically. If you choose month, Excel fills January 1st, February 1st, March 1st, and so on. It's that easy. Now for a pro tip. If you want only business days, and you need to skip US holidays, use the WORKDAY formula. Type your starting date in A2, January 2nd, 2025. In another column, make a list of holidays. In cell A3, type this formula. Here, A2 is our starting date. 1 is for number of working days to add. So it gives the next working day after A2. This is the list of holidays to skip. Press enter. And this gives the next working day, skipping weekends, and the holidays you listed. Copy the formula down to build a perfect business calendar. If this video helped you, hit like, share it with a coworker, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more Excel tips. Comment below with your favorite way to autofill dates, and I'll share more tricks in future videos.